Click on the link below to get price. The Jubilee Homes Prebuilt Tiny Home is designed with the modern minimalist in mind. This compact living space offers everything you need for a comfortable lifestyle, packed into a small footprint. Whether you're looking to downsize, create an additional guest space, or simply embrace a more sustainable way of living, this tiny home has you covered. Modern design, the Jubilee Homes. Prebuilt Tiny Home features a sleek modern design that maximizes space without sacrificing comfort. Its exterior is clad in durable, weather-resistant materials, including Owens Corning Duration shingles and LP Smart siding, ensuring it can withstand various weather conditions while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Energy efficiency. One of the standout features of this tiny home is its energy efficiency. The walls are insulated with spray foam, providing excellent thermal performance. This means the home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. The Bryant Mini Split heating and cooling system further enhances energy efficiency, offering whisper-quiet operation and precise temperature control. Interior comfort. Despite its compact size, the interior of the tiny home is designed for comfort and functionality. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances and American-made cabinets, providing a convenient space for meal preparation. The full bathroom includes a shower-tub combo and modern fixtures, ensuring you have all the amenities you need for daily living. Structural integrity. The tiny home is built using engineered LVLs, laminated veneer lumber, which provides superior strength and stability. This ensures the home can withstand the rigors of transportation and installation, offering long-term durability. Portability. One of the key benefits of a pre-built tiny home is its portability. The Jubilee Homes Prebuilt Tiny Home can be easily transported to different locations, giving you the flexibility to move it as needed. This makes it an ideal solution for those who want the option to change their living environment without the hassle of traditional moving.
Low maintenance. Unlike traditional homes, the Jubilee Homes Prebuilt Tiny Home requires minimal maintenance. The high-quality materials and construction techniques used in its build ensure it remains in great condition with minimal effort.
This allows you to spend more time enjoying your home and less time worrying about upkeep. Aesthetic appeal. The tiny home's modern design and high-quality finishes make it an attractive addition to any property. Its clean lines and contemporary look blend seamlessly with various surroundings, whether placed in an urban backyard, a rural setting, or a tiny home community. What stands out the most? Compact design maximizes space utilization while providing all essential living areas. Energy efficiency, equipped with spray foam insulation for year-round comfort and reduced energy consumption. Weather resistant, built with Owens Corning Duration shingles and LP Smart siding for long-term durability. Modern kitchen features American-made cabinets and modern appliances for convenient meal preparation. Full bathroom includes a full bathroom with modern fixtures and a shower-tub combo. Climate control, equipped with a top-tier Bryant Mini Split heating and cooling system for whisper-quiet performance. Structural strength, reinforced with engineered LVLs for stability and longevity. Portable, can be relocated to different sites, offering flexibility in placement. Low maintenance, requires minimal upkeep compared to traditional homes. Aesthetic appeal, features a sleek and modern design that blends well with various surroundings. Cost-effective, provides a budget-friendly housing solution without compromising on quality. Sustainable living, encourages a minimalist and eco-friendly lifestyle.
Privacy, offers a private living space perfect for guests or as a personal retreat.
Increased property value, adds value to your property by providing additional living space. Community-friendly, ideal for tiny home communities or as an accessory dwelling unit, ADU. Technical specifications. Dimensions varies by model, typically around 400, 500 SQ fit material. Owens Corning Duration shingles, LP Smart siding, engineered LVLs. Insulation, spray foam insulation for enhanced energy efficiency. Kitchen, modern appliances, and American-made cabinets. Bathroom, full bathroom with shower tub combo. Climate control, Bryant Mini Split heating and cooling system.
Weight, approximately 10,000 pounds. 4,536 kilograms. Assembly, pre-built and ready to occupy. Warranty.
Limited lifetime warranty on exterior materials, 10-year warranty on structural components. Pros and cons. Pros: compact and efficient design, energy efficient and weather resistant. Modern amenities and full bathroom, portable and flexible placement.
Low maintenance and cost effective.
Cons: limited space for larger families may require additional permits for placement. Initial cost can be high compared to traditional homes. Where to buy? You can purchase the Jubilee Homes Prebuilt Tiny Home on Amazon. In summary, the Jubilee Homes Prebuilt Tiny Home offers a compact, efficient, and stylish living solution. Its modern design, energy efficiency, and portability make it an excellent choice for those looking to embrace a minimalist lifestyle or create an additional living space. Click on the link below to get price.